Saw Martin, my boy Martin got some goy slop for lunch. Decided to get some myself over at the Walmart when I was in, because they got a BK, Burger King, the king of soy or goy slop, right inside the store. So decided to cash in this coupon I've been sitting on. Anyway, basically you get 2 bacon cheeseburgers, fry, and a drink for $6.99, which in this economy is pretty damn good actually. The only issue I see with it is the burgers, they're singles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fuse them. I don't want all that bread. I'm just gonna take one patty in the bacon out and put it in the other patty. Let me show you what I got here. First off, let's just try a fry. Unsalted. But tastes mildly fresh. Lady working there, super nice. She called me baby. She was doing that with everyone, but she seemed happy to be there. Let me reuse the coupon if I wanted to. You know, doesn't hate her job. Like most of these fast food employees, especially at Burger King, man, they're normally the worst customer service, but she was very nice. So I'll give them credit there. Haven't had this in a while. I normally find Burger King to be really expensive for how shitty it is. Like, I think they've got a combo in there. It's like $17 for burger, fries, and drink, and it's Burger King. Like, who's paying that for Burger King? Crazy. Fry size. 2 tiny little burgers. But like I said, $6.99. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like, and then what I'm going to turn it into. See, tiny little crapola burger, like a McDonald's cheeseburger. And I'm going to throw in the extra patty in here, so I don't eat all that bread and I actually enjoy it a little bit more. It comes with cheese, a little bit of bacon, pickle, and mustard and ketchup. I do like that they put mustard on it, actually. That's nice. But yeah, this is the result. Basically one bacon double cheeseburger, not an XL because it's not wide, but take one bite. I got some extra mustard. I'll probably add that, give it some flavor, but yeah, one bite, nobody knows the rules. 100% the same as what I remember. It's rubbery, not just in texture, but also in flavor. It tastes artificial. You ever had a Rustler's burger, right? Back in the UK, you throw it in the microwave for like 5 minutes and you eat this slop. Okay, maybe that's the top tier of goy slop, but it's terrible. That's what this tastes like. It's edible. It's maybe not as rubbery as that, but I mean, come on guys, really? The only saving grace is I actually think their bacon isn't bad. It's like a candied bacon. It's got quite a sharp flavor for fast food bacon. I normally find fast food bacon to be like really stringy and not cooked enough. But yeah, it's trash. I won't be reusing the coupon. I don't even really believe it's worth $6.99, to be honest, or $7.99. Dude, I gotta find this coupon. Yeah, $6.99. Good deal in this day and age, but I'm gonna throw it out. I'm definitely not reusing that. Trash. 4.2 out of 10, that's a review. All right, first and foremost, excuse the mess, just moved in, so there's a lot of stuff I need to do. But for this week's meal prep, I've decided to do a little bit of Mexican cooking. I'm gonna try and make myself some healthy birria meat with rice, not with tacos, because it's just not gonna keep well in individual containers for lunch. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I went out and I bought some California dried chili pods. Got some cumin, onion, garlic, minced garlic, oregano, and that's about it actually. Yeah, I'm gonna cook that up with not a chuck roast. I actually got, you know what, hold on. Beef round eye. It's a little bit leaner. I know it's not great. It's just that, you know, if you're gonna be eating that for the week, I just don't want anything too fatty. I'm trying to make a healthier version, right? So it's probably gonna be a little bit tougher than usual, but I'm gonna try it out anyway, man. I've got a good feeling about the whole thing. So I'm gonna film the whole process as I look up exactly how to do this. I've never made birria before in my life, but I got a crock pot, Walmart crock pot. By the way, going over to Walmart, the supercenter, there's really no point to getting a Costco membership anymore, other than the food court, which a lot of them, you know, you can get away with not using your membership card. I know the one I went to yesterday, I got a slice, didn't have to use a membership card. Some of them you do, that one you didn't. I go over there, this Walmart Supercenter, they got gas stations now, and the gas, it was the same price as a Costco, I don't have to use my membership card, which is a pain for me because it's a Japanese one. I have to call an attendant over. I can use whichever credit card I like. They've even got a little store there, which Costco doesn't have. Like it's, like a it's a full gas station, and there was no line. So there's really no need if you've got a Walmart like that in your area, other than you crave that Costco slice like I do. All right, so from what I understand, I got to gut and de-seed the chilies, cut up some onion, put some garlic in there. I'm gonna basically stew that a little bit in a pan, saute it if you will, and then once it's cooked down, blend it up and throw it in with the meat in the crock pot. You're supposed to sear off the beef. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear everybody, oh, you meant to do it this way, bro. I'm not hearing it. So I'm just going to throw the meat in and let it slow cooking there without searing it off. I know that's skipping a big step. It's just I've got a lot to do today. I don't want to dirty up too many pans. I just want to get this part done. So. All right, so I think I've done roughly like half. I think I'll save the rest because I'm gonna be doing this again in like, I don't know, a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw these in with some of my Garaza oil and garlic and all the other essentials. There it is, put it on high to get it going. Throw in some garlic. Oh, I forgot to cut onions. Crap, let me do that first. Ooh, man, I normally don't get the tearies, but geez, that's strong. Whew. Here it is though, brand new, Walmart branded crock pot. Lost the old one, the old actual crock pot, I left it in Okinawa. So unfortunately for a blender, all I have is this little shot one, so I'm gonna have to do it like more than once, right? I'm gonna have to put one load in, blend it, throw it in, repeat. So let's get the first one in. I think this is cooked long enough now. Not too liquidy, maybe kind of thick, man. Getting there, but see the top. I'm just gonna throw what's left back in because this is like not working at all. It's like paste. Oh man, yeah, that's not gonna sift through. I got a better idea. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook it as is, right? You're gonna think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna cook it as is, like so. And then when the meat's done, I'll pick the meat off and then I'll blend it. Blend the liquid that's left over, re-add it. Maybe that will be better because the juices from the beef will help move that along a little bit. It's gonna be like a 2-3 day video. Anyway, lessons were learned, but I think it'll still come out okay. It's very strong smelling. I think it's gonna be quite hot because it's got that diced chili tomato sauce with it, and the peppers and all the seasoning I put in. Anyway, stay tuned for it.